Video is the future. Grab this premium royalty-free 2000 HD Plus and 4K stock videos, images, vectors, collection. Find the perfect footage or image for your next video, great for green screen videos, VSLS, B-roll footage, and more. Videos are engaging, simple, comprehensive, emotional, memorable, popular and powerful enough to convert your visitors into buyers like fire. Stop paying monthly subscriptions for each individual element you need on other stock platforms. When it comes to buying stock videos and images from stock footage sites, prices can vary dramatically, anywhere from $5 to $100 plus for just one video. You can easily spend $10 here, $20 there, $30 there, etc. buying stock footage individually. And the most popular stock footage site gives you a single-use license to use the stock footage on just one project. You need to pay more to use them on multiple projects. With this bundle you'll get plus 2000 HD Plus and 4K stock videos, images, vectors, that you can use on unlimited projects. If you end up using just one of these videos or images in one project, this product would have paid for itself. But feel free to use them in as many projects as you like. You must be living under the rock if you are not using the potential of video marketing. And if you are using, then you can agree with the fact that HD quality videos are hard to create manually and expensive to outsource. Not to mention the fact that you need to be 100% sure that the videos you are using are legal to be used. If not, then you will get yourself into a hideous lawsuit trouble that could cost you a fortune. This happens more often than you can imagine. 2000 HD Plus and 4K stock videos, images, vectors. All the videos are full HD quality, so they'll look sharp inside your projects. Compatible with everything. All of the videos are in MP4 video format, which is compatible with pretty much every video editor and online video platform. So no matter where you want to use these videos, you'll be able to add them to your projects without a problem. Commercial developer license. You can use these videos on your own commercial projects and projects you create for clients. Stop making these same mistakes as everyone else right now. 1. Wasting time and money with freelancers and agencies. 2. Using copyrighted content found on the web and GetSud. 3. Paying $100 or more for a single image or video on other stock websites.